Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy for another alternate card using elements from the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I've added a greeting from the Go-To greeting set, and I have cut out some of the leaves from the die cut. I just wanted to do a really simple, straightforward card. So I've got one of the flowers, I've got the leaves that I cut out, I've got my greeting that I've stamped, the thank you, and I stamped it in Flirty Flamingo. So just a couple of elements here that actually aren't in the kit itself. So I am going to take this, and we don't need to worry about the fact that these are cut off because they're going to be covered by the flower. So I'm just going to take my Stampin' Seal, and I'm just going to just adhere this down. There we go. And I'm going to just place it here like this. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the flower. And so I'll just put a couple of dimensionals like that. You can add background if you want to. There's lots of different things you could do with this. I'm just going to make sure I've got the flower the right way up. I think it goes this way, and I'm just going to add it on like, I think I had it so it went under there, like that. There we go. Just like that, so it covers up all of those edges, but it looks like it's a blooming flower. I'm going to flat mount the greeting just across the bottom like that. Make sure I'm even and I'm straight, and there we go. And I've got two of these little flowers, and I'm going to dimensionalize these just on the ends of this, like this, and then like this. There we go, and we're going to add some of that magic bling. I'm just going to use the small ones, and I'm just going to pop a couple of them just around the flower, just to kind of bring your interest and your eye up into that flower. So I'll put that there like that, and that is our card done. So super quick, super easy. I just cut out some of the leaves from the die cut, added the flower dimensionalized on top, and we're good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.